Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's Warrior Plus income video, I'd like to share with you some proof that some more profit and monthly recurring affiliate commissions have recently come in with Warrior Plus. So I'm live here in my account. This is the last 30 days. So I'm going to go and just show you the all time. I'm going to go down here to all time, and then that will load up the results here. So let's just scroll down and you'll see here in the right hand column, sorry, this is the column here. So total sales is now $14,555. The commission column in the right hand side here is 7,158. And they give you some great stats and data on the left hand side here. You'll see products sold, 1,657 products sold, so live in the account there. But more importantly in this video, I want to share with you the offers that are really converting well for me within Warrior Plus Marketplace. If you're not familiar with Warrior Plus Marketplace, it's been in business since 2006, so it's very known, liked and trusted. These are predominantly autopilot buyers traffic offers that I'm going to share with you today. And the first thing I want to do is show you how to get your traffic for free. And one way you can do that is that a lot of these offers have got multiple income streams built into their funnel where you just promote one link. I'm going to show you some proof of how that works with one particular offer today. I'm also going to show you how a strategy that I use where you can get a profitable monthly funded traffic proposal. And what that means in the industry, it means that you promote an offer as an affiliate where you get into profit, and then you've got profits from that offer where you can reinvest some of that and buy some more traffic. So it's a great way of scaling up. It means that you no longer have to buy traffic from your job income or your wages or your savings in your bank account. So if you've got a full-time job like me, then your profits can then come from the offer you're promoting. And if you want to scale up even more, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you an opportunity of how to earn thousands of dollars, a strategy that I've created and use every single day to earn thousands of dollars. There will be an income disclaimer in the description, so I'm not making any income claims or guarantees in this video. I'm just sharing with you what works for me. We've all got an equal opportunity to become members of these offers. I'm a member of each and every one, and then you can become an affiliate if you wish to do so, and promote the offers as well. So let's just first of all look at the monthly recurring income. This is really key. These are membership sites, and what you'll see down the right hand side here, if we scroll a bit further down, this circular arrow here, this shows how many months in a row the members have been paying their membership. So what happens is that you've got an opportunity here. Some of these are quite new. They're 9 months in a row, 9 months in a row, 16 months in a row here, 11 months in a row with that one, 5 months in a row. But if I scroll down here, you'll see all these circular arrows. These are all monthly recurring membership payments coming in. These gaps here are new members for traffic offers coming in. So the key thing is, with products that you promote, I recommend these are traffic offers, and traffic's an evergreen niche. Everyone needs traffic. Everyone needs more and more traffic. So you're promoting offers within an evergreen niche, but you're also promoting offers where members are paying a monthly membership. So you can start at the beginning of every single month, knowing roughly exactly how much you're going to earn with the monthly recurring payments. Now I want to show you some proof of one of these offers and how you can majority of these, the owners have put more than one offer into the system to give more value to the members. And Clix is one offer that I promote. And on average, I want to show you, I want to go back here. This is December this year. I want to go right back to the beginning of January this year and just show you that on average, 1 in 3 members within Clix are upgrading to this triple traffic upgrade. So what that means for you as an affiliate, it means that you can get into profit faster and start to earn this profitable monthly funded traffic proposal. And you just promote one link as an affiliate. Clix have got an offer at the moment where they promote for you as well. But you'll see here, what I've done is everything in blue is an upgrade. So back in January of this year, this member joined and upgraded. This were the ones in white are the ones that haven't upgraded, and then you'll see there's a block here. There's a block here of 2, 4, 6, a block here of 10, where 5 members in a row have upgraded to triple traffic upgrade. So the upgrade converts very, very well. And then 1 member here never, then 2 in a row did, then 1 never, then another 1 did, 2 in a row never. So you can see a pattern developing here of upgrades. 2, 4, 6, 3 in a row did there, 3 in a row did there, 4 in a row never. So that can sometimes happen depending on which members join. But we're going to go all the way back up now to the latest. This one here, 2, 4, 6, 8, 4 in a row there, and we'll go all the way back up to being current. Yesterday was December the 7th, where a new member came in and upgraded. So it's important to show you that because I want to share with you products where you've got an opportunity to be able to get into profit faster and start to earn this profitable monthly funded traffic proposal. And then you can buy some more traffic from your profits, and then you can promote your offers and get more people in front of your offers, which in turn should generate you more leads and commissions because you're putting more traffic in front of, generating more traffic with your primary business or whatever offers you're promoting. So this is the strategy that I created, and it's really how I'm able to automate daily commissions and earn thousands of dollars, but more importantly, how you can too. So this is the video here. I recommend you watch. It's exactly what I do. It's very beginner friendly. It's just 3 or 4 simple steps and a very simple strategy. And then on the page, I've also put on the page here the offers that I promote as well. So Clix, the one there that I just showed you, is in there. These are the 4 offers that I sort of, there are other offers, but these are the 4 main offers that I promote. And if you click on any of these tabs here, then it'll open up a new window for you if you want to get some more information. More information on here. If you want to copy this page, I've done a tutorial there. You can join Leads Leap for free and join the page. All you do is copy and paste that code into Leads Leap, and this complete page will duplicate for you, and then you can edit and customize it any which way you want. Again, it's very beginner friendly. The tutorial down here will show you how to edit a page, and you can do that if you wish to do so. And you can use my video here as a strategy, and you can promote your offers. You can create your own page and promote your own offers if you wish to do so. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please give me a like. I'd really appreciate that because that will help support the growth of my YouTube channel. And if you have enjoyed today's video, then please click subscribe and the bell icon, and then you'll get notified of all my new videos. So currently I'm doing several new videos every week, and I've now got over 1,000 videos on my channel. If you've got any questions about any of the content in today's video, please put those questions in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions for you. and my email address will be in the description if you'd like to contact me direct through email. So what I'm going to do with this page here, I'm going to pin this page to the first comment below the video you're watching now, if you'd like to watch this strategy video here. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video today. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Thanks a lot, and bye for now.